everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Days. My name is Melissa, and I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. This is part of my air fryer series where we just cook up a simple ingredient in the air fryer, and then we turn it into a macronutrient balanced meal. And I just want you to start to incorporate your air fryer with these, fresh, whole, clean foods, and just see how delicious they can be so that you're more likely to stick with it and to start to incorporate them into your weekly meal plan. And then you're going to see the weight loss results that you're looking for. So if that sounds good to you, today we are going to be making sweet potatoes in our air fryer, quick and easy, and let's get started. You just want to go ahead and preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees for 2 minutes. And while the air fryer is preheating, I just go ahead and I dice up my sweet potato. This was one medium-sized sweet potato. All diced up. Dump it into your bowl. And we're just going to drizzle a little bit of the extra virgin olive oil over it. Again, you don't want to drench it like we talk about. Then it goes from turning healthy to turning into a fat bomb. So we don't want that, but we do want to incorporate the healthy fat of the extra virgin olive oil. And I like to season it with the garlic powder. Like you guys know, if you've been watching my videos at all, I'm obsessed with garlic powder. It's fabulous. A little bit of the paprika. And a little bit of cracked pepper. And on this one, I'm going to ground cinnamon as well. You guys have heard me talk about ground cinnamon before. It really does work as like a blood sugar level stabilizer and a metabolism booster. It goes to work at stabilizing those blood sugar levels. A little bit goes a long way too. And I think with sweet potato, it just makes sense to incorporate it into this one. And then you're just going to mix that all up and make sure that they're all evenly coated. And our air fryer is preheated, and we will go place it in the basket. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to pour the diced sweet potato into the basket of the preheated air fryer. I have the 6-quart Chefman. So you can see none of them are, they don't have to be touching. Just spread them out good. If you have a smaller basket, they're going to crisp up better for you if they aren't, piled on top of each other and not touching. So if you don't mind, if they aren't as crispy, just go ahead and pile them in there. No problem at all. And just place them into the basket. And we're going to go at 380 for 15 minutes. All right, so we're down to our last few seconds here, and I just wanted to make note that I did actually check these after 10 minutes, and they were looking pretty good. So I only went ahead and cooked them for 12 minutes in total. So, and you can see this is the result. I think they look delicious. I just wanted to share with you that, yes, they are done, but in my research for gut health and all of that, I learned that we're actually going to let these sweet potatoes cool for about 10 to 15 minutes because that's actually going to increase the resistant starch in the sweet potatoes, which helps feed good gut bacteria, improves insulin sensitivity, and it's going to help us to feel fuller for longer. So we're going to set these aside for 10 to 15 minutes and reap all those benefits, no problem. So now this is my favorite part. We're going to go ahead and turn it into a macronutrient balanced meal. So we have our air fried sweet potatoes that took, no time at all. You saw how quick and easy those were. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our protein. This is Greek yogurt, which I really want people to get on board with. Go ahead and do about half a cup of the Greek yogurt. And we are going to add in hummus because we want to flavor up that Greek yogurt a little bit. So this is just a red bell pepper hummus. I get it from Aldi. I try to get all of my ingredients and most of my shopping through Aldi because it's such a price point friendly store. So 1 to 2 tablespoons of the red bell pepper hummus. You can see that it's coming together so nicely. And again, we want to add in some fiber because you've heard me talk about this before. We as Americans are not getting enough fiber. And one serving, half a cup of the black beans is going to get us 6 grams. So there's just not a reason not to. Go ahead and dump that on in. And of course, we have to continue on layering in our garlic. Garlic is so good for us, good for digestion, good for stabilizing blood sugar levels, all the things. I hope if you're following my channel that you love garlic because most of my recipes incorporate it. So go ahead and do a tablespoon of that. Mix that up. Now, it may not be the most eye appealing, but what we are trying to do is satisfy our gut health with the Greek yogurt, the probiotics, the protein, and we want to get the garlic in there for our gut health. We want the fiber from the black beans, the protein from the Greek yogurt and the beans and the hummus. And we have our healthy carb from the sweet potato. So it's just that simple. I'm going to pair it right next to our sweet potato. Grab a fork. Put on your favorite show and enjoy. All right, so you guys saw how easy that was to whip up. I so hope that you are enjoying this air fryer series. Check out my other air fryer videos. Check out all of my videos. Subscribe to my channel. If you are enjoying this series, please leave a comment down below and make sure that you hit that like button down below. It really helps out my channel in the YouTube algorithm, and it sends my videos out for other people to enjoy. Other than that, I will see you in the next one, and I'm going to go enjoy this macronutrient balanced meal, and I will see you next time.